this video, I'm going to show you how to change the keyboard on your iPhone. So the very first thing we need to do is go and open up the settings on your phone. You then need to scroll down and click on General, and then scroll all the way down to Keyboard and click on this. Now the first thing we need to click on is Keyboards at the very top, and from here you can go and add or remove different languages for your keyboard. So you can see that I already have set up all of these different languages, and if I wanted to add a new keyboard, I can just click on the button at the bottom, and then I can go and select and add a new language to my iPhone keyboard. Now you can also come back over to the previous window. You can click on one-handed keyboard, and you can go and change your keyboard to a one-handed keyboard, and you can have this displaying either to the left or to the right hand side. I'm just going to leave this disabled and turned off. Now once you've done this, just go and open an app that uses the keyboard. So I'll just be opening up the notes here on my phone. Now once you're on your keyboard, you can go and click on the globe icon in the bottom left hand side, and you can see as we click on this, it's going to switch between the different languages. Now you can also hold down on this icon as well, and from here you have all of your different keyboard settings. So this is where you can change the languages and also change the layout in the bottom navigation, and it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.